Welcome to this rare opportunity for true dual living. This elegant home is located in a quiet, desirable West Salem neighborhood with mountain views and only a few miles from vineyards, the Willamette River, and just 45 minutes to the coast. This home of more than 3,100 square feet is situated on a large corner lot of almost a quarter acre with beautiful mature landscaping. Heading inside, discover an expansive split-level home with vaulted ceilings, a cozy fireplace, and tons of natural light. The sunny kitchen is well appointed with beautiful finishes and plenty of storage space. The living room and kitchen open to the formal dining area. Just down the hall, the spacious primary suite has direct access to the hot tub and deck. And it has an elegant full bath. Plus 2 walk-in closets. You'll find 2 more large bedrooms on this main level. And another full bath. Head downstairs to a separate apartment, fully equipped with a living area, separate entrance, kitchen, 2 bedrooms, another full bath, and a laundry room. Entertaining is easy with the huge backyard deck, pool, and patio for late-night summer fires in a private fenced yard. The large 3-car garage has a deep third bay and utility sink. A fantastic opportunity for a beautiful dual living home. It's all here on J Court, and it's ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Safford Carpenter with Premier Property Group.